noir, you know how to like a bit laughing. I see a girl make it WhatsApp. So I slide in the WhatsApp.
Qui ça?
Bonjour, yeah, I see ya. If you got it, man, I hate to be it. It go down in the WhatsApp.
It go down.
It go down in the WhatsApp.
It go down. It go down.
It go down in the WhatsApp.
It go down.
It go down in the WhatsApp.
It go down. It go down.
I tell her, Snapchat me that dude. Or FaceTime me that lady, me fix cool. Boy, but my WhatsApp poppin'.
It's popping.
My WhatsApp just got agreement.
Agreement.
Haitian girls in my WhatsApp. They breaking news if you see them. But we don't do no talking.
No talking.
We see Haitian girls too often.
Et bon.
I see your girl make a WhatsApp,
Killer.
so I slide and say WhatsApp. Bonjour, yeah, I see ya. If you got a man, I hate to be him. Woo! It goes down in the WhatsApp.
It go down.
It goes down in the WhatsApp.
It go down. It go down.
It goes down in the WhatsApp.
It go down.
It goes down in the WhatsApp.
It go down. It go down.
Don't you hate a girl who can't cook?
You.
That much enough for everybody.
Bomb.
I love the fun, I love the fun. I'm addicted to them, I know I am. I just chat with Seth, Alice.
Qui ça?
I got a crush on Seth, Alice.
Killer.
They like, damn, boss, you bold. Damn it, I'ma let the world know. Go, yeah. That's my baby right there.
Bob, hey, Bob, that's what we do. Hey, that's mine. See, Alice is my girl. That's my girl. That's mine. Okay, fight me, bomb. Bill, Tony, Boy.
This your boy Boss from Haitians Gone Wild. Thank you for listening. Hope that you enjoyed. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube. Subscribe to the page, man. Keep doing what you guys are doing. Supporting Haitians Gone Wild. We love you. It's your boy Boss. I'm out. Peace.